But Diljit, at the same time, people like you know, who go through things, people sometimes, tend to assume, अरे she's doing it for the fame, she's doing it for the attention.
इस इंटरव्यू में मैं आपको ऐसी डिटेल्स बता सकती हूँ which will be literally the headlines, but I don't want to. If it does reach a lot of women and they
Why
feel यार
not?
इसने कर लिया तो हम भी कर सकते हैं, brilliant.
But Diljit, at the same time, people like you know, who go through things, and जब वो publicly आके इस बारे में बात करते हैं तो people sometimes, tend to assume, अरे she's doing it for the fame, she's doing it for the attention and all of that. अभी तो career बचा नहीं है, now she's old, these things comes in the picture.
Yeah.
But does that, sometime affect your work life also? कभी, have been there rejections for the same that, no, she's too controversial for our show, maybe she'll not fit the bill?
Let's start with your first statement.
Yes.
Yes, being in a limelight multiplies everything by a billion, but I am not shocked about it because I chose this profession. So obviously I'm out there. Yes, it is my choice. मैं कितना बताऊँ कितना नहीं बताऊँ इस इंटरव्यू में मैं आपको ऐसी डिटेल्स बता सकती हूँ which will be literally the headlines, but I don't want to. It's my choice. But I want to talk about the things that I've gone through, and I think if it does reach a lot of women and they
Why
feel यार
not?
इसने कर लिया तो हम भी कर सकते हैं, brilliant. बट जहाँ तक जॉब की बात है डेफिनेटली अफेक्ट होता है 100%. I remember when I'd given birth to Jaden, I had obviously put on a lot of weight, and I was going through divorce, like I said, so I'd put on a lot of weight. And then suddenly I had to like reduce, and I was going through a lot of things. Within a year, I was being offered a role 15 years older. मतलब अभी मैं 28 साल प्ले करी तो मुझे अभी डायरेक्टली बोल रहे 45 year old प्ले करो, and I'm like मैं तो खुद ही 28 साल की हूँ अभी, you know. But again, the responsibility, I'll put it on my shoulder. I reduced a lot. I worked hard a lot. And then I was doing a 30-year-old role with Jaden being almost 4-5 years old. So I feel कि बड़ा easy होता है ये बोलना कि यार वो ऐसा कर रहे हैं. अगर मैं अपने आप को ही 1 साल पहले अपने YouTube के चैनल पे देखती हूँ, I had put on and I would just eat क्योंकि that was my stress eating time. मैं कर रही थी. I did not expect कि कोई आके बोलेगा यार प्लीज हमारे शो का लीड कर ले या ये कर ले. I was not looking the part. Today I'm working hard, and I'm already doing great things, and a lot of things are coming my way, and I'm like literally trying to balance a lot of things now. So हम बहुत easily I think industry पे डाल देते हैं कि अरे but अगर आप नहीं कर रहे हो, you are not putting that effort. I don't think it will be very easy to blame कि इन्होंने काम नहीं दिया क्योंकि मैं controversial हूँ. Today I'm still so-called controversial, but if I am looking the part, I am a good artist, I will get work. It has nothing to do with it.
True.